Welcome to Let Me Know YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.
Hello all, here we are going to discuss about our latest mathematics examination pattern for 10th class. Actually in previous sections we have only 2.5 hours examination, but here we have 3 hours 15 minutes of examination. Here we have only one paper, single paper for 80 marks. The examination time is 3 hours 15 minutes. Here a detailed explanation about the parts and sections of the examination. Just see here, first 2 hours 30 minutes we are going to write the theoretical paper, just the question and answers. 2 hours 30 minutes we need to write that examination. Okay, and this is for 60 marks, and in each section we have two parts, part A and part B. Actually we have previously two papers. The two papers are reduced to one paper, and first part will be paper 1 and second part will be the questions from the paper 2. So part 1, part A, in this section 1, sir, section 1, before we have 1 mark questions here, but here we have 6 2 marks questions, 6 2 marks question. Answer any 6 questions choosing 3 from the each of the following groups A and B. Section 1 A, group A, we have 6 questions. From these 6 questions we need to solve only 3 questions, and from group B also we have 6 questions. From these 6 questions you need to solve only 3 questions. Total 6 questions you have to solve. The marks should be 2 marks for each, total 12 marks. Okay, section 2. Okay, in this section 2 we have 4 marks questions. 4 marks questions we need to write. Answer any 4 of the following 8 questions. In this section we have completely 8 questions. From that 8 we have to write only 4. Okay, the questions are like this. From the all the topics we have the questions, 8 questions. From these 8 we need to solve only 4 questions. Okay, this is section 2. Section 3, in this section we have 4 marks 4 questions of 8 marks. Okay, 4 questions of 8 marks. Each section have two. This third section has 2 groups. Each group has 4 questions. From each group you need to write 2 questions. Okay, you just need to write 2 questions. Each group, that is 4 into 8, 32 marks you need to score in only the third section. Section 3 is most and more important section. We need to score 32 marks in this. Next we have a part B. Part B is nothing but this is for 30 minutes, and maximum marks should be 20 and the questions should be 20. All are choose the correct answers. All are choose the correct answers. You need to answer all the questions, 20 out of 20 from this bit. Okay, examination pattern, if you are have any difficulty to score in any section, is that nothing but that part B only. If you write correct answers you are going to get 20 marks. If you write any of the wrong answer, it should be 1 mark less from your total. Okay, be careful with this third last section, part B. Okay, and at last I just want to conclude that this paper is easy. In this paper we have 2 parts. Each part we have sections. In part 1, part A, we have 3 sections. Section 1 we have 12 questions. From that 12 you need to solve only 6. Next, section 2, in that we have 8 questions. From that you need to solve only 4. Next, section 3, again divided into 2 groups. Each group contains 4 questions. From that 4 questions you need to write only 2 questions. Okay, coming to the part B, you have 20 questions, you need to solve 20 out of 20. Okay, this is the examination pattern for this academic year. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel for more videos.